Hello there and welcome to Linux S2O, and this video is all about Stacer. So what is Stacer basically? Stacer is a Linux system optimizer and monitoring tool. So it allows you to monitor your system, and users can manage their entire systems and their different aspects, and this is the all-in-one utility system tool. So what do I mean by Linux system optimizer monitoring tool or all-in-one system utility? So let me just show you. Let me just minimize this window and show the window here. So this is the front look of the Stacer. So after installing, and when you click on it first time, it will show you something like this. So you can see the CPU uses here, it's 39%. You can see the memory uses and the disk uses. By the way, this is only 240 GB something. It's an SSD. And here you can see the system related information like host name. So basically this is the username, that is Taksha/Such. The platform, this is 64-bit distribution, this is the latest and greatest, and CPU model and these stuff. You can also see here the download speed. Actually this is not the actual download speed. Let me show you the download speed. So this is fast.com. so it's a Netflix website to check and monitor the internet speed. Just hit the enter and this will literally spike. Okay, so this is spiking right now. So you can see these things here, and if I go to the second page, here you can see the startup applications that I can enable and disable. I can also add a new one and I can also delete. And this is the system cleaner. So if I want to clean application logs and crash, I can simply tick mark these and hit the search button and simply hit clean. So this will clean the things. Okay, I have to select, by the way, so let me just clean the trash. So you can do the cleaning stuff here as well. You can also search the entire system, just typing here blah blah blah. You can also check these services here. You can enable, disable, and boot, startup and not startup, by the way, and you can check the services here as well. The another page is this processes. So this is like the applications that are running in the background. So you can add any process if you want. For example, if I want to quit this Stacer application, I can simply select it and hit and process. I can also change the refresh time here if I want. I can also search for any specific process here. For example, GNOME, it's GNOME, by the way. So I can do these things here, and I can also see the packages that are installed. So it also has snap packages. So Ubuntu comes with default support for snap packages. So these are the snap packages that I have installed, and the regular packages, .type packages that I have here. I can also uninstall any package that I want. For example, if I don't like this EOG, that is I of GNOME, this is the what we call a picture viewer. So if I don't like, I can uninstall it from here. Then we have these resources in a graphical manner that are shown here. So you can see the history of your CPU, its different codes, the load on the CPU, and the disk read write speed. Then we have these helpers. These are the hosts that I have enabled right now in my system. I don't care much about these things basically. So next we have these repositories. So this is apt repository manager. I can enable and disable like all the repositories. I can also edit any repository, delete, and add a new repository if I want. You can also use the command line. That is way more easier than this one, graphical, I mean. Then we have these GNOME special settings that we can do, but here we can tweak here. So Windows Manager and appearance, so you can do these things as well. And lastly we have this settings, basically the main settings, and you can change the setting here and the partition of the disk that you want to monitor, and you can also change the startup page. So currently it's set to dashboard. So if you start the application, it will show this page first. You can change to any page that you want, and you can also set some alert here. For example, if the CPU user goes beyond 1%, it will show you an alert. And I can also auto start a Stacer if I want. And you can also talk to communicate to the developer of the application. So you can type your name, email address, and a message that you want to send to the developer. So this is the developer, and you can also donate. This is an amazing application, and you can donate the creator, the developer of this application. So here is the Patreon page of that person. He's only getting $10, and only 4 Patreons have supported him. You can see here these commands. This is the repository command that you can add by typing this whole command, and you don't have to type. Basically you can simply copy and paste. So just head on to this website here and just these are things that I've explained here basically, and you can copy the repository and paste them into your terminal and it will install the application. You can also download it from the GitHub. So if you don't want to add any repositories, just click on this link. This will take you to this release page and GitHub page. Here you can download the .rpm version or .deb version, and if you don't want to install the package, then you can also try out the portable version. That is, I mean, it's similar to portable that we have in Windows, so that app maze, and you can try out the package from here as well. So this is the Stacer, and this is how you install. And if you don't know how to install from .rpm .deb, then just simply click on this link, installing applications in Linux, the complete guide. It will show you how you can install different types of applications, I mean different applications in your Linux system. It doesn't matter which distribution you use. And if you still can't understand how to do this, then simply ask in the comment section in the YouTube below, or you can also ask here. I will be happy to assist you. So that was it in this video. I hope you find it helpful and you like the application that I have. And of course, fast food, slow that is true, by the way. I mean, I don't know because I'm not that old, but this is true. So that's all in this video. I hope you find it helpful. Okay, bye.